So, how to create your own app. In this tutorial, we're going to use PhoneGap to transform our website into a native Windows app. You can visit and download PhoneGap at the website phonegap.com. However, they'll expect you to install node.js and use the command, which is the cmd. It's pretty old school, using DOS and entering some instructions. So this is a bit too difficult for some people, and that's why I made a file available from PhoneGap on my own website, zelostudy.be/myapp.zip. You have to download this file and decompress the zip, and you'll get a folder which is called My App. This is what actually can be downloaded on PhoneGap. So in the next phase, we have to create our own website. There are several options to create a website, and one of them is obviously by the HTML language. But in that case, you will have to know this code. You will have to know these tags by heart. And there are other options. So one of them is using WYSIWYG software, which means what you see is what you get. And Microsoft Expression Web 4 is one of them. It's for free, and you can download it on this URL. But I think it's better for you to enter this text in Bing and search for it. After downloading and installing the program, you can open it. You can create websites in a graphic way. So no need to be anxious about which coding you have to do. You can code by hitting on buttons on a graphic way, and Expression Web will do its part and just use this, the appropriate tags for you. So no need to be worried about coding. Expression Web will do the rest. I'm going to create a bird app, which we can use when we are going with our students to the woods. So I already collected some birds. I copied the text in Microsoft Word, and I'm going to go to paste it in Expression Web. And now I'm going to format the text. The title is going to be put in heading 1, description in heading 2, and we're going to add an image by insert HTML image. Just double click on the icon and you'll have to browse for your image. So it isn't possible to copy and paste images from Word to Expression Map. No, you'll have to open the file itself. This was the snow, the owl. Okay. Just an advice, delete the height and the width in the left corner and the tag properties, and change the width to 100%. Why? This makes the image responsive and appropriate to open in a smartphone and in the tablet. After you're done, save the file. Don't use spaces in a file name. Just name it owl in your right folder, save it. Okay. Last but not least, we are going to create an index or front page. We'll have to save this one as index or default. Don't use spaces. And I'm going to insert another image. Double click. Search for the other. Okay, this is the front. Okay, remove the height. Change the width in 100%. to make it responsive. Okay, let's make the buttons. So I got one bird, this is the pigeon. I already created this file, the owl. And the third one I forgot, so I'm going to insert a hyperlink. Insert hyperlink. This is the pigeon, the owl. Insert hyperlink. Owl. Okay. And the third one was the gull. Going to insert the hyperlink. The gull. Okay, I'm done. Of course, I'm able to format these buttons a little bit. And I'm going to save it. Let's take a preview of this app. This is my app. As you can see, it will be okay in a smartphone, on a tablet, and even on a desktop. I can hit the button owl and my snowy owl will appear. My website is finished. I can now publish it on the internet, but I wanted to create an app of it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take a look at my folder. This is my website, birds. I'm going to copy all files of this website and I'm going to paste it in my folder, my app. This is my PhoneGap folder. I have to paste it in the www folder. Just put it there. Might replace some files, no problem of that. And then we're done. We're going to make a zip from this folder. Just one zip, add to my app zip, and I'm done. Okay, I created a website. I put it in PhoneGap. Next stage, we're nearly there. The next stage will be to convert this on build.phonegap.com. You can register for free. Just register. I already registered. Sign in with my Adobe ID or GitHub, whatever you like. They are for free. Nearly there. It's allowed to create one app for free. And you can do the trick by updating your code each time. So you can create unlimited apps. I'm going to update the code. I'm going to browse to my zip. This is the my app zip and upload it. 3 apps will be created. The iOS version, which is a bit a problem because Apple asks a lot of money and you will have to use Xcode and so on. Another version is Android, but of course we're going to use the Windows app. This is the app, the XAP file. You can download it and send it by email to you, yourself, your students, your colleagues, your family and friends, and install it on your Windows phone. But we're going to download this file, save it. We're going to put it in on the documents or downloads folder. That's okay. And the last stage, if you want to make this available for the World Wide Web, you'll have to go to Windows, dev development, dev.windows.com. Later, you'll have to sign in. You'll have to pay a small fee while you're registering yourself. It's a few dollars, about $50 I think. It might be a little bit more, and then you can submit your app. You can choose to submit your app to the Windows Store or the Windows Phone Store. Take a short peek at your own apps. The Flippy Bird app was downloaded 192 times during the last month, and you can submit your own app. You can give your app information, and that's the name, the preferred name, the category, the pricing. You can make your app available for free. You can offer it in a paid version. And then you will have to upload your XAP file, which you downloaded a few minutes ago. And then you're done. A team from Windows Phone Development will take a look at it, will approve it, and the world will have a new app, your own app. Good luck.